All right, let's talk about the solution here to measure figures number 5 assignment. Uh, First thing you're going to realize here, right, aside from the fact I still don't have no hair, is that, let me connect that out, is I start off with a formula on each one. Remember, there was a formula here that we have to use for figuring out the volume of a pyramid. Our pyramid here. It starts with 1/3 the base times the height. Now the base, well, that's that. In this one right here, this is a rectangular pyramid. Let's say you have a rectangular base. Let's say you have to go length times width. 14 times 23, that's 322. Then you have your height here, right? Special height. Notice how they give it a different thing there. That's 25. Let's see, you get 1/3 times the 322 times 25, and you get 2683.33333. Let me just say 0.3 because it said, hey, round to the nearest tenth. This is the nearest tenth. All right, number 2. Same thing. It's another one with a square or a rectangular. I'm going to say square, rectangular prism. Rectangular pyramid. And so you get the 1.8 times 2.2, and then you get to divide it. Now what I did here is I saw this 1/3, and because you can multiply and divide in any order there, I went and divided the 1.8 by 3, by 3, and so that's 0.6. It's still going to come up with the same answer. So I could have just done all the multiplication here and divided by 3, or I could have just done the one of them divided by 3, and you still would have got the same thing. So still 3.8 cubic centimeters. And of course, the height right there. There's your height. Now, where people had their most trouble was with figuring out the height. Well, if you have your formula, right? You have your formula, right? Well, guess what? It gives you the volume. That's right there. And then it says the base edge of a pyramid here, right? Base edge 16. Well, let's say that you have that square pyramid here, right? And everything like that. Well, if this is 16, well, then this other edge is 16. And so you're going to multiply the two of them together, right? And so 16 times 16, I think I said it was 256. And so you get your 256 here, right? 2, 5, 6 when you multiply them together. Divide that by 3. You get 85 1/3. Now you get a single step equation. And so you just divide both sides by 85 1/3. And you end up coming up with 12 centimeters here. If you know how to divide with your 256 over 3, it works out more right exactly to 12, because again, otherwise you're just kind of repeating decimal or something in there. But either way, 12 centimeters. Now this one right here, you have a triangular pyramid. And so you got a triangle, right, on the bottom there, and then everything going up to your top there. Now, because of the triangular pyramid, they're telling you, okay, you have an edge of 9 and a base height here. My bad. Erase that. And so you get a base height. So you get that height there. And so I'll get a different color here. And so we have this 9 right over here, right? Look at that height of the triangle being 4. And so you're going to go your formula for a triangle. Half the base times the height. So half the base edge times the base height. 36. Well, actually, what I did is I just said this. Half of 4 is 2. Half of 3 is half of 9 is 3. 1/3 of 9 is 3. And I said 6. And then I said, hey, divide both sides by 6, and you get 8 inches. All right. So don't confuse your height of your triangle with your actual height, which you're trying to figure out here, because you're trying to figure that part out. That's the part you're trying to figure out. All right. And of course, you had your volume. All right. Running out of time out here. Oops. No time for joke.